What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see today we got a special video. Like I said, man, this year I told people I'm gonna be doing a lot for the people that, you know, been down, been loyal and all of that. And man, my cousin, she don't have no idea. So, you know, I'm finna go grab her TV, man. That's what's going on today. Yeah, we finna go grab her brand spanking new TV. At least a 50-inch or better. Cause I give y'all the story, man. Give y'all the rundown right quick. Had an old 40-inch. We had been got rid of, whatever. And it had a little thin line down the middle on the screen, like a little thin line. Didn't really hinder the picture, but you know you can see it's there. I don't know what caused it and everything. And you know I don't sell stuff. I just get her stuff away. So you know I had posted on my Facebook who wanted it. She was the first one comment. Had came by the house a couple of times. Couldn't ever link up. She went there. So then you know it was just here. And everything. I had told her to come through and pick it up when she can. She never make it by. So, you know, it sat in the back of the F-150 and rolled around and stuff. And I just kept it out there for a minute. So I guess the heat went ahead and took it out, man, after months. Plugged it up, screen was done. So, no, I had reposted it a year after that car. A whole year went by, man. She never got TV. And I had posted it up and she was like, you never brought it to me. I was like, shoot, I plugged it up, it done now. So I was like, man, I wonder why she wanted that TV so bad. But I was like, man, we're gonna surprise her with a TV, man. She don't even know it. And reason being, man, you know, I'm gonna give y'all the story later on in the vlog. But my little sister, she stays with my cousin. She stayed with my cousin, the one y'all just my little sister, the one y'all seen graduate. She actually lives with my cousin. So man, I'm gonna give y'all the rundown on all that. And you know, this like appreciation card. I appreciate what not only her, cause she got a twin sister too. I appreciate what they do for my sister. They do a lot. You know, we all the same age and all that. So I'm gonna give y'all the story and all that, but we're gonna slide to Walmart, go get her a TV, and we're gonna pop up at her house. And she ain't gonna know it. She don't know nothing about none of this. Don't even have the slightest idea. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. I meant to get my big camera. I left my camera in the car and all of that. So we in Walmart, finna go ahead and pick out a TV for my cousin. We've been trying to kill time cause I forgot they still at work, so you know. So I'm killing time, man, going surprise and everything. My little sister already at the house, so they got somewhere to be. But I told her to make sure, you know, I let them know we on the way. So you know we want to catch my cousin Kirby when we first get there. So we finna pick out something, a 50-inch clip, but glad we pick out an old 50-inch, grab something, and you know, hook her up. She ain't gonna know, huh? 50 inches. Let me see. Watch out, Tina. We need 50. 50. What? The Philips. That's an Android TV. That's what she got too, I think. That what my sister got. I been trying to get my sister to convert over to an iPhone, y'all. So we probably gonna get this one. Yeah. Let me see. Yes, indeed. And what it is? LG. Yeah, we gonna get it. We gonna get it this one right here. So yeah. So we're gonna grab a deal one. They want 350? 350. Watch out, say it back up, y'all. I'm gonna go and grab, they're gonna be the one, y'all. Smart TV, Android, that should do us some good. Put in the game. So I'm gonna pay for this, and then we're gonna get it over there to her. Then we're gonna catch a reaction, and then I'll give y'all the backstory and all that while I'm doing this. So stay tuned.
Yeah, that's why I said.
All right, y'all. It's gonna be a real surprise.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, y'all. We checking in. Checking back in, y'all. Over here at my cousin's house. My cousin. Look, you alright. You alright. Look, man. It's my cousin Kirby.
Hey, y'all.
She just got off.
We had water day, excuse me.
Water day. Oh, field day.
Water day.
Water day. So they had field water day. Y'all, but look. You know I got a camera on for a reason, right? I got a camera on for a reason. I got something for you. I'm gonna tell you why. But I got something for you.
Oh, man,
So,
just don't be no
Him, hold it. I want you when I come in the door, just keep your eyes closed. I got something for you.
You want to follow you or? Me?
Yeah, keep your eyes closed. I got something for you.
Shit, you don't have it.
Okay.
It's already emotional.
Got a surprise, y'all. Got a surprise.
I'm scared. Now you know like it. Huh?
Can't tell it. Go ahead.
I'm kind of nervous. What?
Alright, y'all, we got Justin coming. In.
Eyes closed.
Eyes closed.
Alright.
Alright, got Justin coming in.
Come on. Keep your eyes closed. Don't come right this way.
Let's see your move.
Alright.
I go.
Yeah, you can open. Yeah, I said, look. Hey, look, for real though, I want to get that for you, Carl. I appreciate everything you do for my sister. That's what I tell them. And you know I love you. We grew up together, y'all. We grew up together. So we like brother and sister, but like I tell y'all in the vlog, like they do a lot. Her and her sister, they do a lot for my little sister and stuff. So I give y'all the backstory. But I want to get you that, Carl. I seen it yesterday. I said, look, we're gonna upgrade this. Yeah, what is it? 32, ain't it? 32. Yeah, she can move. You can move that now. I said we're gonna hook her up. I told you welcome. I told my little sister yesterday, y'all. I said I'm surprised, Kirby. So yeah, you welcome. You welcome. So we're gonna check back in, y'all. All right, y'all. We checking back in, man. Back at the house. All of that. I want to give y'all that video and stuff. Like I said, I'm gonna be giving y'all more stuff like this, cause it's in my heart to give back. And said the YouTube stuff, man, it bigger than just what people want to see all the time. To me, I always say it bigger than Carl. That's why I did stuff like for my fam when I did the little reps for money channel and stuff. I don't care about people complaining and all that, man. This a car channel now. This my channel, like. And I want to tell anybody that's a creator, do what you want to do. Why do you think they call it YouTube? Yeah, you can please your audience, but please yourself too. Because you're not happy with yourself internally, all that other stuff don't matter. It don't matter if you get 1 million views a video. If you're not happy with yourself and the content you creating internally, you might as well quit. That's why I've been YouTubers or social media influencers that quit, even though they were doing good. You like, they were booming. Why did they stop? They weren't happy with what they were doing. So I want to give y'all this video, man, cause like I said, it been in my heart. And to give y'all the backstory, it been in my heart since last year, like I was telling y'all earlier, to do that for my cousin. Let me set y'all up, matter of fact. Act like I got that old tripod, man. We got a tripod that work good now. Oh, shit. Let's see, that'll work. The kids over there on the trampoline. Let me get y'all straightened out. Get y'all straightened out. We're gonna get y'all straight in a minute. Alright, y'all, but yeah, it been in my heart, really, whole time do this for my cousin or whatever. Cause like I told wifey, and you know, I be done said this stuff off camera and stuff, but I just be scrambling. I don't get around to doing it. But I was like, man, I want to get her on TV. You know what I'm saying? I want to get her TV. And then what happened, to give y'all the story, yesterday they had a brunch, a graduation celebration brunch for my little sister. So we went over there yesterday, and then, you know, that was my first time being at my cousin's house, being at her house or whatever, since she moved in that one and stuff. You know, she got a new spot. Congratulations on all that and everything. So that was my first time being over there, and I saw the TV, and I was like, okay, I can still get it. You know, I think it's too loud. I can still get it. So I told wifey, and I told my little sister, I was like, man, I'm gonna do something for Kirby, because, you know, I appreciate not only her, but her sister, because like I said, she got a twin sister, my cousin Erica. Shout out to Erica. They do a lot for my sister. They give y'all the backstory, and it just keep it real with y'all. Give y'all a little bit of my life. For the ones that's on Facebook, y'all probably already know, because I share motivation stuff. I'm real person. I done gave my personal testimony and story before. But, you know, like, me and my pops, we don't have that close relationship like that. You know, we cordial and all that, but we done did a lot of this, and still will. I just keep it cordial. Like, it ain't that close bond, you know, like you cool with your pops and this and that. Like, it ain't that, and for own reasons. If you've been on my Facebook, you know, I done told the story. I'm not gonna get into it. It's the same thing with him and my sister. It's like, it just cordial, you know, a cordial relationship. So my sister hasn't stayed with my pops, and I don't know how long. Like, I don't know how many years it's been. So she been with my cousins and them a lot, you know, for years and stuff. So they do a lot for her. Like I said, my cousin's the one you saw on camera. Y'all saw her sister before too. She was in the other vlog. But we grew up together. We like brothers and sisters. Them two, and about 2 or 3 of my other cousins, 4 of my other boy cousins, like, we grew up together over my grandma's house. You know, my grandma dead and gone now, rest in peace. We buried her really not long ago. You know, and she, you know, they just did a lot. They do a lot for my sister, man. You know, they're big, you know, stepping up. My sister in college, and you know, they get her what she need to be and all of that. And you know, it's just a lot behind it, man. So I was like, man, I want to do something for her and stuff, cause I noticed that. So when I look at stuff and I notice, I'm like, man, I want to do something. You know, I want to do something for that person to show the appreciation. And then not only for that, you know, with me and my entrepreneurial journey, I had a lot of people that didn't believe in me, both family and friends or whatever who you call. I got a lot of people that didn't believe in me, man. Didn't fully support. Maybe not because they didn't want to, they just didn't understand and they can't see it. You know, that's why I push on people. Just because you can't understand something don't mean don't support it. You know what I'm saying? Just try to understand it. And that's the thing with what I do, which is bigger than YouTube. Y'all just watch me here on YouTube and stuff, and y'all see I do drag racing, but I'm actually an entrepreneur. That's why I say a lot of people don't know everything I got my hands in, but it like people couldn't understand it, so they wouldn't support it, and people would always tell me, go to work, you need to get a job. This the stuff I was having here, like, even from my pops, like, and to this day, like, he don't know what type of level I'm on financially and on a success standpoint. And you know, if people not only, you know, they talk about me and my wife and stuff, relationship, or, you know, we done got a lot of help from my in-laws during our down times. My big brother, more old school kings, y'all see him over here, he pull up at the house, and his wife Bobby and stuff. You know, it's certain people along the way just been there for beyond what people know. So now it like time to, you know, bless the people, spread the good fortune, you know, and share the love, share the blessing. You know, not looking for nothing back, and not even looking for blessings from God. You know, I don't do stuff to say, hey, we're gonna be blessed for it. like we do stuff cause we want to do it. And I say we as in me and my wife, my family, my kid, and you know, we show them to teach them that like people doing good, man, or you know, they behind you, they support you, or they helping your loved one, somebody close to you like my sister, and stepping up, man, you know, you show love, man. And it's a small gesture, you know, it's a small gesture or whatever, but it just doing something. So I want to do that for her, and I want to put this on video. I'm gonna start. Y'all gonna see a lot of this. I said it at the beginning of the year. Y'all gonna see a lot of this, man. This gonna be a year. I said in the beginning, I said, if you stayed down and you were loyal to not only me and my wife, and we know you ain't never said no junk, cause we know who done said what. Let's just keep it all the way 100. But we know you ain't said nothing, you gonna get blessed. I promise you. How? I don't know. Cause we very generous givers. Like I don't care nothing about money, I promise y'all. That's why I'm not falling out with nobody about money. It could be 20, 30 bands. I really don't care nothing about money. I'm not saying that to brag. I'm saying I won't fall out with nobody over nothing like that. 100,000, even that. I'm not gonna fall out over nobody over nothing like that. That's what's wrong with the world right now. Everybody a boss until it's time to be a boss. That's what I always say. Everybody a boss until it's time to be a boss. Everybody got this until it's time to really show you got this, or you selfish or whatever, you know. But yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. We're gonna be back tomorrow. I got a car vlog dropping called, I'm gonna jump in this bad boy called me and Aunt hooked up the bump box, and I think the scramble button worked too. I reading some stuff. I think the scramble button's supposed to work too. So we're gonna be testing that out. I got to test that out. So we're gonna test the scramble button out tomorrow. I'm gonna show y'all 2 features of the lease controller and that thing there. This gonna be lit tomorrow. So that's it, y'all. I catch y'all. Well, Big Meats, we going to Summit. I told y'all we're going to Summit, but it's after vacation. I got the vacation costing a lot of money, but it ain't no problem, man. I want my family to have a good experience and this and that. So we go on vacation. I'll be like anything goes. So we're gonna do that first. Then when I get back, we're going to Summit. We're going to the bank first. Y'all know when we go to the bank. Y'all know how Brown Coat Gang go. When we go to the bank, if any of my Brown Coat Gang when y'all go to the bank, it's going down. So we're going to the bank. Then we'll go to Big Meats Summit. It's going down. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all later. I'm out.